Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Etoro markets. A comprehensive guide to help you navigate and make the most of the Etoro platform. Etoro is a social trading platform that allows users to trade a variety of financial instruments, including stocks, commodities, and currencies. First, it is essential to understand the concept of copy trading, which is a key feature of the Etoro platform. Copy trading allows you to replicate the trades of experienced and successful traders, known as popular investors. This feature enables you to benefit from their knowledge and expertise, and can be a great way to get started with trading. To get started with copy trading, you need to find a popular investor to copy. You can do this by browsing the Etoro platform, where you can view the performance and strategy of each popular investor. Look for investors with a consistent track record of success, and who have a strategy that aligns with your own investment goals. Another essential concept to understand is risk management. Risk management is critical when trading, as it helps you to protect your investments and avoid significant losses. Etoro provides a range of risk management tools, including stop-loss orders and take-profit orders. A stop-loss order automatically closes a trade when it reaches a certain loss, while a take-profit order closes a trade when it reaches a certain profit. In addition to copy trading and risk management, it is also important to understand the concept of diversification. Diversification involves spreading your investments across a range of different assets to reduce your exposure to any one particular market. This can help to minimize your risk and increase your potential returns. To diversify your portfolio on Etoro, you can trade a range of different instruments, including stocks, commodities, and currencies. You can also invest in Etoro's copy portfolios, which are pre-built portfolios that are designed to track a specific market or sector. Finally, it is essential to stay informed and up to date with market news and trends. Etoro provides a range of market analysis tools and resources, including news feeds and market insights. You can also follow other traders and investors on the platform to stay informed and learn from their experiences. In conclusion, Etoro markets offer a range of opportunities for traders and investors. By understanding key concepts such as copy trading, risk management, and diversification, you can make the most of the platform and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always stay informed and up to date with market news and trends, and to use the range of tools and resources available on the Etoro platform to help you succeed.